In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove participants from meetings in Microsoft Teams. This is really useful when you're running an online class, hosting a business meeting, or just trying to keep a group discussion focused and secure. Let's start from the point where you're already in a meeting in Microsoft Teams. You should see the meeting controls bar, usually along the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device and version of Teams. On this bar, look for the icon that shows two people, sometimes labeled as people or participants. This is where you can see everyone who's currently in the meeting. Go ahead and click on that people icon. A panel will open, typically on the right-hand side of the screen, listing all participants. You'll see their names and sometimes their roles, such as organizer, presenter, or attendee. This panel is your control center for managing who is in the meeting. Now, find the person you want to remove. Scroll through the list carefully, especially in larger meetings, to make sure you select the correct participant. Once you've located their name, move your mouse over it. When you hover over their name, you should see three small dots appear to the right. These three dots represent the More Options menu for that specific participant. Click on those three dots beside the participant's name. A small menu will pop up with several options. One of these options will be Remove from Meeting. This is the command that disconnects the participant from the current call. Click Remove from Meeting. Teams will immediately remove that person from the session. They will no longer be able to see or hear what's happening in the meeting from that moment on. Depending on how your meeting is configured, they might be able to rejoin if they have the link, so if you need to keep them out permanently, consider adjusting your meeting options or the lobby settings as well. Use this feature thoughtfully. It's best suited for situations where someone has joined by mistake, is no longer needed in the discussion, or is disrupting the meeting. As a quick recap, open the People panel, hover over the participant's name to reveal the three dots, click those dots, and then choose Remove from Meeting. And that's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to remove participants from a Microsoft Teams meeting in a clear,